Yo, Wincrease team, what is going on? It is January 8th, 2021. Market is officially closed and we did it. We made it. S&P 3800 target hit, and that is amazing. Remember, we called this all the way back in October that we end up making this move. My move was ultimately to 4,000, so we're not all the way done yet. So we still have about 200 points left to move. So the market closed today at 38.2468. The high was 38.2669. So we were pretty close, closing on near the highs. So like I mentioned last week, that when you do that, it's typically going to be a continuation signal. So I'm looking for the market to continue to push. It's amazing that it can continue to do that because we've had a nice run. However, the run does not appear to be over. So simple metrics, we're looking at the chart. We put our target last time around here for 3,800. So simple math is we're going to continue to move in blocks of 200. So the next target is going to be 4,000 for the S&P. So that is the S&P. Let's go ahead and check out IWM and see how the Russell performed this week. And the Russell did equally as well. Remember, my target was 200. We hit that last week, and I said that it would get to around 210, and now it's around 207.72 was the market close. The high was 209.77. So we got pretty close there as well. And I think that this one in particular may chill out. That's a good candle signal for a attempted pause. So next week we might have some back and forth action going. So I would not count that out. However, the overall trend is it will continue to move higher. So that is the S&P target. 4,000 is still it. And we're also looking at the Russell continuing. And my ultimate target for IWM is going to be 240. Yes, you heard it. 240 is where I see this ultimately ending up at. So that is it. If you like what you hear, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, like whatever it is. Make sure that you leave any comments. Also, you can contact me. That's at Wincrease Team at any social media. And that's going to be wincrease20@gmail.com. So y'all enjoy yourselves this evening. We'll check you later. Peace.